Yo, what is up, people? Today I'm going to show you how to untangle your chainsaw. This is probably what it'll look like. If you have a dull chainsaw and you try to get a spare, and you get that spare and it looks like this, then and you don't know how to like untie it, then I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy. You don't need gloves apparently. So let's get started. So. I'm gonna twist it this way so you guys can see what you want to do is you want to pull both sides, mostly this one, and then you're follow my instructions very carefully, and then you're gonna do this. If it doesn't fit, mix another knot. It's because of the second one. So we're just gonna fold that. And again, there's more knots. So this is gonna take a while, but you eventually will get it. Now you're just gonna lift this up, and it's done. And we are just gonna set it down. So that is how to untangle your chainsaw chain. I hope this really helped. And yeah, subscribe for more videos. You obviously don't have to. All right, see you guys later. Hope you have a nice day.